First you have to put both powers, power for bed and power for controller. Okay, then switch on power here button. Make sure the cable is connected here. Okay, then you have to come to side rail.
We also have the powered width expansion, which allows you to take that bed from 40 inches to 50, or of course from 50 to 40, to accommodate that patient's girth. One of the key points to this is that if you start to bring that side rail in and you stop and it beeps at you, there's an amber light, what that tells you is that you haven't completed the task. So you must be all the way in or all the way out. There is no in between. So again, to finish what I'm doing, I would bring that, in this case, I'm going to bring that side rail back out until I get a beep and a green confirmation that it's been done.